There is probably not enough fuel to make it to Vienna.
Bulgarian officials are in a tough spot as they consider their options.
You run the balance of, do we try to accommodate these guys in some fashion that keeps their emotional levels in check versus the potential risk of conducting a very dangerous military or law enforcement assault of the airplane?
Yes, I will ask. Balkan 013, please confirm position and fuel on board.
Balkan 013 is currently approaching Gulf Romeo November. We have 1,300 kilos of fuel on board.
Are you able to divert to Vienna?
Negative.
How many hijackers, please?
There are 4 hijackers. They're armed with knives. They're holding a hostage and threatening to kill her.
They're extremely agitated.
Why haven't we turned? Huh?
If we don't turn soon, people will die.
We can't let them to leave Bulgaria. Tell them to keep going to Varna.